ClickUp is an impressive free alternative to Airtable, offering a single platform designed to manage any type of work. Their website advertises it as such, with multiple blog posts stating its superiority. To get started, simply sign up on their website by entering your work email address. Then click Next. You will be redirected to continue your sign-up process, where you can choose to continue with Google or another method. After confirming, you'll be asked to set up your account by specifying your intended use, such as personal or work-related. You can then invite others to join, and indicate if you use other tools like Trello. The next step is to select the features you're interested in trying, such as asking for AI assistance. Once you've completed these steps, your ClickUp workspace will be created, and you'll have access to a tutorial to help you get started. With its free forever plan and robust features, ClickUp is a great alternative to Airtable, making it easy to manage your work in a single platform.